Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change leverage on Pepperstone. For that, first of all, you need to come here on pepperstone.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now when you log in into your account, you just have to click on the option of trading accounts option in the left hand side of your Pepperstone dashboard. Now over here you will be shown your trading accounts, and here we have live account as well as the demo accounts. So you just have to simply select the live account if you want to change the leverage for your live account. You can also do the same for your demo account. So let's say I want to change the leverage of my demo account. So I'm going to simply select the demo account over here. Then click on the option of this gear icon. And here the second option would be of change leverage. So when you select it, you are going to see the default leverage or the leverage that you have selected previously over here. So simply select this drop down menu, then select your preferable leverage, press yes, and then click on the option of submit. Similarly, you can go to the live section, then click on the option of this gear icon, then you can select the option of change leverage, then you can select the leverage over here, and then click on the option of submit. So this way you will be able to change leverage on Pepperstone. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.